So we get another repair on this thing because some idiot leaves the windows down all the time and they finger punch this or they use it as a cigarette lighter. I don't know. As you see, it's all sun faded, so I bought a new switch. It's like 40 something bucks. Made in USA. Last time they blew out this thing, when we fixed that, this all gets soaking wet over here when they leave the window down. So we're going to change it. I think it's quite easy. Of course, the bezel, which is half broken, has to be removed because someone keeps bobbling on it. It's really broken. We need another one. I should have bought a new one for $150 when they were available. Shifter has to come down. And let's get access to our switch. Key on. Shifter. We don't need that on. We don't need the radio on. Sometimes I take more things that's broke off of this thing. Oh man. Damn it. You never find it, and then here you just find contraband. I get so frustrated working on this thing with the poor condition it's in. It's so frustrated. You can't make this up. Every clip that's broke on the top of it, because you know they leave the windows down, they let it get too hot, let the sun bake on it. So that's a job right there again. Have to glue all this stuff back together with ABS cement. So we can get this thing out. Oh, there's more crunchy parts coming out over here. And yeah, like literally every damn clip that's broke on this thing. That's awesome. You know, I don't know what to tell you. Look at all the junk in this thing. I know, don't even get me started. So that's going to be off for a couple days, I guess. I don't know where this locating pin went. You know, I guess that's why people buy them for $150. They are even available. So we got to get this thing out. I think it's just a pry job. I can put the shifter back up. Don't leave your window down. And the sun just bakes everything. So let's go pry this out now. Now I'm frustrated. It's everything you do to this. This place destroys your vehicle. Okay, you got clippy doos on the side, I believe. And we're going to pry that out. Hopefully we don't got to take this whole thing out and more stuff's going to break. Alright, let me show the dash exploding. There's two clips. There's two pry tabs. Carefully pry them. Don't break them off. And you can pry the switch out. The screwdriver here. Screwdriver there. Wiggle. Pop. Oh, look at this thing. It's even cracked up here. Wow. I don't know how you do this shit. I don't know how they manage this thing on this poor old vehicle. But there we go. There's the clip. Hopefully the connector doesn't fly out of here. I'm going to release that. There might be a bulb in there. It might be salvageable. And yeah, I think this thing is junk. Okay, same connector. It looks like it. Same everything. Doesn't look sun faded and destroyed. This thing looks like the print is off on it, but you know, whatever. Everything's made like garbage. Alright, reconnect it, throw it back in. Well, I'm not going to put it all in all the way. Reconnect it. Connector pins look good. No burning, no cigarette smoke, no whatever, contraband, dog hair. You know, I cleaned all this. I literally cleaned all of this, and look at it. It looks like I didn't do anything. And it's been literally like 5,000 miles since I cleaned all this stuff. That's just sad. Anyway, let's see if that thing works. Put the lights on. Crank it up. Okay, lights on. Put this thing on. The fog lights are on. Fog lights off. Cab light on. Okay, functioning. Oh, it has a little light on the dash over there too. Look at that. Okay, pretty cool. Alright, put it back in its home, I guess. Oh, it does have a light over there and a bulb. Okay, snap. I think it lights up a different color green like the other ones, like they all do. It does. That's cool. Maybe. Actually, I think this thing lights up now too, and it didn't. Does it? I don't even know. No, it's just a different font. It'll be smoke color like this in no time. Maybe that's the only difference. It's a smoke color. Yeah. Okay. Good enough. I would put the dash back on, but you know, obviously I broke everything, so I have to ABS cement it back together. But that's how you do it. Fog light and the cab light switch and a 03, 07, maybe even 99 to 07 Classic. Yeah, last time I changed this vent, the whole dash cracked on it, which is awesome. Don't live in a hot climate. And don't live in a flood zone. Look, that's still on because it got flooded. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you, but the part does work. And I'll probably break it again tomorrow. It has a code for this thing now and then too. Like there's some kind of short in the fog light. I don't know, maybe it's just switch is messed up. It's only been flooded a couple times. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll leave the part number for this OEM part in the description. USA.